Hey everyone, Jake from Conductor here, and in this video we're going to dive into how to set up custom element extraction to get granular with your website monitoring. This is going to be all about pulling specific elements or data points off of your pages for some further detailed analysis. To get started, the first step is going to be to navigate to Settings and then go into Custom Elements. Here you'll find a list of all of your existing elements, and you can also create new ones. At Conductor, we have set up elements to monitor things like content authors, publication dates, but the possibilities are endless. For instance, as a retailer, you could track and extract things like pricing on product pages, stock availability, and even review count or ratings. When you create a custom element, you can use XPath, Regex, or CSX selectors to build out your expressions, or you can just fill out this form linked right here. Tell us what you're looking to extract from your pages, and our team will help you set it up for you. There's also a tester, so if you're doing this on your own, you can put in a page URL, run a test, and then make sure it worked. Once your custom elements are created, they become powerful tools throughout the platform. One of the most valuable uses is in segmentation. So if we go into our segments here, you can actually create new rules based on your custom elements to group pages together. For example, we've actually created a new content segment right here, which automatically groups together any pages with a published date less than 60 days old, which allows us to quickly focus on our most recent content. You can also use custom elements directly in your reporting. If you navigate to the Pages report, which shows an inventory of all of your pages being monitored, you can manage the columns, go into your custom elements down here, and then click on or off the different elements you would like to see extracted across all of your pages. Finally, when you actually drill into an individual page, if you scroll down, you will see a list of all of the custom elements that are set up that were actually extracted from that page, which is a really quick way to see the key details you're tracking for that specific piece of content. Hope this was helpful, and thanks for watching.